Hey, welcome back to another video of Earning Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a video on your Upwork profile. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in upwork.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, under your profile section, click on your profile option. Scroll down a little bit. Now, find Portfolio tab and click on plus icon here. Then click on this icon which is of video, and you can simply paste your YouTube link of your video or upload a video from this button. After that, type in your title. You also need to type in description. When a video is loaded successfully, you can click on next preview button. Then again click on next thumbnail and select the thumbnail if you have made it. Now click on publish button. After that, a video has been successfully added to your Upwork profile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.